This little guy I found back here in the yard. I saw him in the middle of the roadway in the train yard here. I almost run over him. I straddled him, went over and picked him up. As soon as the crew gets up here, I'm gonna take him over there in those woods and put him where the creek is. I'd keep him, but he's a wild turtle and I don't want to get in any kind of trouble. Yep. I heard he named him Cecil like the cartoons. Yeah, well, he does try to get away sometimes when I go to pick him up, but he knows I'm not hurting him, I'm just moving him out of harm's way. So, say bye-bye. Maybe I'll see you again soon. My cute little turtle friend and I saved him from the roadway so he doesn't get run over. And back here, I just talked to my conductor, and when we go back in here to the fuel plant, or not the fuel plant, but the plant where all the tanker cars and stuff are, the transflow plant, there's a waterway in there. It goes back out to the creek, so that's where we're going to put this little guy so he doesn't get hurt. Tries to swim away from time to time. So they're calling me, so here we go. So you can see Cecil here is enjoying this train, our train coming in. Taking over to the waterway. Alright, so we're gonna release Cecil over here back to the waterway since he got stuck across the street there. Here's a nice little creek here we'll take him down to. All right, little buddy. Dropped my phone. Hi, little buddy. This one I think I wasn't needed anymore. The turtle needed my help. Well, there we go. Bye, buddy.